Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to delete your fixed asset in your QuickBooks Online account. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then you can navigate to the left side of your main dashboard. Go to all apps to open all of your apps and go to accounting section here and then you can go to fixed asset. Click on it and then you will see you will be in this page and you will see all of your fixed asset. So let's say I want to delete this asset car. So I'm gonna delete this asset. I'm gonna go to right side of my asset and then click this drop down menu here and you will see delete asset. You can click on it and then you can confirm it by click this green button and it's deleted. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.